In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Wondershare Filmora video editor. So let's get started. First thing, just open Filmora, and to the leftmost top we'll be having the file option. Select it. Here we will be having preferences. Click that, and in preferences go to general, and here we are having user interface. Click on this language drop down, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. Just select the language of your choice, and that's it. Automatically that language will be changed. Just click on apply, and we are having that language now. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.